All you guitar players, all you songwriters out there, I'm Joe Normal. I've had people ask me, Joe, how do you get that sound on your guitar? What is that biting sound you get when you do your leads and stuff? And, why does your guitar get that tone? And I'll tell you, it comes down to this. The guitar picks I use. Everybody's fingers, that's where your tone and your sound and your personality comes from. But your attack comes from your picks. When I play an acoustic guitar, I use a Fender Tortoise heavy pick, just the standard pick that they've been using for decades. That's the sound, right? When I play electric guitar, I use a steel pick. I like that attack, that brightness, that sort of punch that you get from the steel pick when you play solos, and also the power you get from your rhythm guitar parts. Brian May from Queen played with a coin. When you listen to his leads, they just got this really bright attack to them. I love that, very present, in your face. That's what you get when you play with a steel pick. You experiment with that. What I do is I jump up to a heavier string on the guitar so I don't worry about breaking strings. I want that big attack and that sound. So when I play electric guitar, I'm using 11s, the Ernie Ball Purple Pack 11s. And then on acoustic guitar, I'm using these Martin Retros. They're made out of nickel, not that brassy crap, coppery, brassy stuff. It's nickel. This is what they used to use, so you get that classic sound. It would be either this or flat wound strings, but I like the round wound sound for acoustic guitar. Anyway, thanks for listening. Experiment, change up your sound, see what you come up with. Take care. Hey, I'm Joe Normal. If you like this video, please visit my website and pick up some merchandise. It's joenormalusa.com. Just see the banner at the top and it'll send you to my apparel page or order merch directly from my website. I appreciate your support at this time. And thank you for supporting independent rock and roll.